Ever wanted to build your own AM/FM radio from scratch? Imagine holding a fully functional radio in your hands, built by you, that tunes into standard AM and FM broadcast frequencies. This AM/FM radio kit offers just that, an engaging way to learn electronics while creating a working radio receiver using real components and soldering skills. This kit breaks down the complex world of radio technology into 9 manageable lessons, covering everything from audio amplifiers to FM/RF stages. Each section is designed around a superheterodyne receiver, the industry standard for clear and reliable signal reception. You start by assembling the AM radio components before moving on to the FM section, ensuring a smooth and logical build process. The manual doesn't just list steps. It explains how each circuit works and why each part matters, giving you a deeper understanding of radio electronics. What makes this kit stand out is its thoughtful design. All parts come neatly organized on cards, making it easy to identify components and avoid confusion. The unique printed circuit board (PCB) layout lets you place parts directly over corresponding symbols, reducing errors and speeding up assembly. Plus, the kit includes a radio mounting stand for a polished final product. While a 9-volt battery is needed to power your radio, it's not included, so you can choose your preferred brand. Whether you're a high school student, university learner, or an electronics enthusiast, this kit fits right into your educational goals. It's more than just a project, it's a practical training course that builds soldering skills and electronics know-how. You can test your progress with just a multimeter or, for those with access, an oscilloscope to dive deeper into signal behavior. The step-by-step tests after each section help ensure you're on the right track before moving forward. If you're looking for a hands-on way to grasp the fundamentals of radio communication, this AM/FM radio kit is worth a look. It's been trusted for over 30 years by educators and hobbyists alike, praised for its clear instructions and comprehensive parts. Building this radio isn't just about assembling components, it's about gaining real-world skills and confidence in electronics. Ready to get started? This kit offers a unique blend of learning and fun that transforms complex theory into tangible results. If that's you, someone eager to understand how radios work while creating something you can use, try it when you're ready. It's a solid investment in your knowledge and a rewarding project that brings radio technology to life.